We are live.
I'm live. I can edit this. This is the good part. Hey everybody, it's Keely. It's Still with a Kiss. I'm not coming to you live today for a couple reasons. For when we might be iced in tomorrow, today you're watching it Tuesday. So we took that into account. Plus, I had a doctor's appointment got moved up till noon. I thought, well, that's a sign. I just need to film this thing now because I've got too much to tell you about and we just can't skip a day. A whole lot has come in since I saw you last week. One big development since last week, I told you that, who's talking to us?
It's
Siri?
the computer just all of a sudden.
Okay, computer's talking to us. It seems like a live video. We have all the drama going on. But I told you last week about Georgia Farrell coming to see us in her workshops. And last week they were full. We didn't have any spots. Well, then we started thinking and rearranging, and we decided that we can open up 2 more spots. So if you were really sad that Georgia Farrell's going to be here and that you couldn't get in her workshops, hop on over to our website and you can sign up now. But just 2 left, so they expect that those will fill up now that more people know about it. So if you're just checking in, we're having our 30-year anniversary celebration. Georgia Farrell, the designer from Rowan, will be here doing workshops. If you can't make a workshop, she'll be here at the end of the month for a meet and mingle as well. We've got a lot going on. Just go to our website. All the deets are there. So now that we've got that, we'll start talking about all the stuff.
Yeah.
I've got it around here. Lori's like, yeah, I got Lori today. Okay, so our Manos order for spring came in and we were super excited about it. They do a guest designer every season, and Georgia Farrell Clay is their designer. I think I got the name right. I'm winging it today. And we are just in love with her designs. They've all been inspired by candy, one of my favorite topics, as you can see. This yarn laying here on the table is the, I always say it wrong, Alegria. I have to say it nicely, Alegria, from Manos. It's their sock yarn. It's a great, fingering weight, what you'd expect it to be. This is the design that they have to go with it for spring, and it is so cute. It's called the Pop Rocks Pullover. It's a top down, so fun. Lots of great color combinations, and we've got those to share with you as well when you look up the pattern. But aren't these colors fun? Yeah, lots of different options for that. So that's Pop Rocks Pullover. Okay, what else we have here? These are new. This is the same yarn, it's the Alegria, but this is their super pool kits. And they work up with pooling in the socks on purpose that really look cool. And all of the kits come with a skein of the yarn with a solid mini skein as well for heels and toes. So cute. Aren't those cute? Lots of good colors. Fun colors. So I'll pull them out so you can see them better. I'll put them up there. Got that one. Can't really see them in the bag, can you, Lori?
No, not like you can.
Not because you don't see the little solid ones. I got to pull these out and make a mess. That's my job around here, to make messes. I love these. We just thought it was cool. It's just something different. We've seen kits like this before and they were just like, socks with heels and toes. No big deal. But the way that these work out with the striping and the pooling, they really look cool. And it's not like bad pooling. Sometimes you're like, well, why would I want a sock that pools? We try to avoid that. No, this is pooling on purpose. That looks cool. So lots of good colors there to pick from on that. Let's see. More Grady intake kits. We've had these before, but this color is new. And that makes, see, I've got the patterns that go with them. This, fun. It's lace weight, but you put 3 strands together and make this wrap really super cool. We've got a sample in the store. You may have seen it before, but everybody loves these sprays, whether you're making this or something else, and it's always exciting to get a new color. Okay, let's see what else we have over here. We'll get through the Manos first. This is another one of their new designs that we are just in love with. It's called the Licorice Twist Vest. And let me see if there's pictures on the inside. I can show you. Not only is it just a cool vest, we've been all about vests this season. It has these side vents. Isn't that cute?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and it's so cute. And if that's not your style, you can always just seam them more. You can make the vent as big or small or not at all if you'd like to. And that's worked with Milo, which is their linen blend. It has linen and merino. We have lots of colors. These are 2 new colors. This is a reorder. And then we have a whole rainbow of colors out there. But Milo is a really great yarn for spring. On the table, we have Felice. Felice was really hot last year. We've sold a ton of it. And this is the pattern. that they've done for the Feliz. It's called the Sweet Tooth Hoodie. Kind of a big oversized hoodie that uses the multis. So I thought, well, I guess we're going to have to order some multis, because up until now, I think we have the full solid color range of Feliz in stock. So we decided to up our game and add the multis with it. Of course, the charcoal is a reorder. We got some really fun colors here. I think that's what they've used. And then, of course, we got some different ones as well. This is the penny candy shawl. I think we already put our little boxes away, but this uses the Pheno mini skeins in the boxes and a big skein of Pheno. We thought that was pretty as well. I think that's the patterns that we have to show. So that's Manos. We'll just work our way down the ledge. I've been interested in these. These aren't new, but they're new to us. It's Shirley Payton. If you're not familiar with Shirley Payton, she's been a designer. You see her work in Vogue Knitting for forever, and she's always been one of my favorite designers for Vogue. And she's just super talented, and she put together her knitting design workshop book that will teach you how to design. And then this is a book of designs that people have made based on her methods that you can also make. This one has patterns in it. This one is all just about design. So if you're an aspiring designer, I would recommend this book highly. One reason we got it in is we're gonna try to do our own workshop with Shirley. Shirley will be appearing virtually. Maybe we could fly her here from New York. That would be cool, but baby steps. So we've got those. I've got to dig through it and kind of come up with a plan for us. So if you're interested in design, let me know, and I'll be sure and keep you in the loop as we get our plans going. Lantern Moon, new products from Lantern Moon. We thought we'd never see these. When Jeannie and I were in Chicago last June, we saw the preview of the new products, and I honestly forgot about them. It took that long, but these are the new things. We'll start with the tape measures. Aren't these cute?
Yes.
You know, we've had the sock monkeys. We have Ladybug. I'm just going to open all these up and make a big mess. A fish. Wonder what pulls on him. Something opens. Ah, there it is. It's his fin.
Oh, yeah.
Aren't those cute? These are hand crocheted by somebody. I suppose you could make one, but I don't want to make a measuring tape cover. Little sunflowers. I got a little wrinkle, but this little leaf pulls out. Is that all of them? I got sunflowers, fish, ladybugs. Okay, that's those. And then they have little scissors. I love the leather pouch for them. Aren't those pretty?
Oh, yeah.
Those are nice scissors. Okay, I'm see if I can do this without cutting myself. I'm usually not allowed to be around sharp things. Okay, good job. No Band-Aids will be needed. And they have come out with all of their needle cases, their knit out boxes with a new print. They call it iCat, but it's a really pretty gray and black print. That's pretty. Mm-hmm. These are super cool. If you don't have one of these, you really should get one. I always have to think about how to put them together though. I think they go like this. This one goes in here somehow. Oh yeah, and then these buckle on top. I like these versus a yarn bowl because, well, I'm clumsy and I can't throw this one on the floor and break it. It's nice and soft and kind of, you know, idiot proof. And so that's what these are. Now, that's the knit out box, but we also have their knit aid cases, their double point needle cases, the interchangeable circular. So we have all the cases now in this print too. That's what all these are. Ooh, I know what these are. These, hey, crocheters, pay attention. You're gonna like these. Before, with the crochet hooks, they had the Tunisian sets and they had the, that's it. But now they've put their regular hooks into a little set like this of their ebony hooks. It's called the Radiant set. So now if you don't want Tunisia, you just want the regular hooks. I love the ends on their hooks. They're so pretty. And these are made out of ebony. So we now have little crochet hook sets, and they have your most common sizes that you use in the set. I just bought a lot of stuff here, didn't I? Oh yeah, the sheep bags, the Meadow sheep bags. We've had them in the shop. You may own one already in the natural fabric, but now there's this pretty gold color. Isn't that fun? Mm-hmm. And then we have, let's see here, black. Oops. And which one's this? Red. Oh, good, the picture's on. I don't want to mix all these up and get in trouble.
You get yourself in trouble?
I get myself in trouble because they're like, Keely, you made a mess. And then these are the black and white ones that come with the white sheep. And then we also have the natural with the black sheep as well. These we've had, but the colors are new. Okay, Laura, I'm gonna come around here. Can't reach it. Oh, we're really excited about these. These are super cool. These are tool cases. They have a little pom-pom. You can open them up and there's pockets. And it opens up enough that you can stand it up. And then this part folds down and you can put your like needle tips in there. So it can be a standing case too, like that. Of course, it's not gonna stand here. Let me move the yarn. Push up there. There.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty cool. Yeah, it's just a cool little case. And then if you like that, there's also black. I like that they have little pom-poms in the end. So it comes in 2 colors. We thought those are pretty neat. They're called the Tool Kit. So that's from Lantern Moon. New leggings. If I was telling you about the leggings last time, about how nice they are. They keep you smooth. I promise, smooth. You'll love them. So now we have new spring prints. Look how pretty these are. They have tons of colors.
Maybe I'll better come back over.
Let me move over here.
Yeah.
Aren't those awesome? Great colors. And then of course we have this color as well. So new colors for spring. We have some tops coming in too, but they won't be here till March. But I said, go ahead and send the leggings. We need those now. I need them now. I'll wear them all the time. And last week I also told you about our special visitor, Emery Koch, who owns Urth Yarns, paid us a special visit all the way from Florida. And he sent us some yarn. Well, I ordered some yarn while he's here. It's not like they just send me yarn. I wish they did. So we've got new, I'm gonna move these leggings.
We need a new table, don't we?
I know, I think I'm just gonna move the leggings over here. We've got a plan. Like I said, oh, now I'm throwing yarn on the floor. It's a good thing we vacuumed today.
Clean.
It's clean. Okay, so some of these are reorders, some are new colors. This is unique fingering. I don't think we've had that color before. I think these are newer colors. Aren't those pretty? I love, love. That's fun. This is a reorder, but I'm telling you, that's one of the most popular colors. As is this. If you have not used unique yarn, what are you waiting for? It also, this is the fingering. It also comes in a worsted weight. So this is fingering and worsted. We were just filling in some colors. We'll get to those in a minute. What else is in here? I bought a lot of yarn. More fingering. That one's worsted. Worsted, fingering. That's a bright color in it. I'm getting there. There's a lot of yarn in this box. It doesn't look like it would be that much, but there is. That's worsted. That's just harvest worsted, which is their yarn that is made with, it's all natural dyed with natural things. This is dyed with cinnamon. Pretty cool. This one is dyed with, it's not always what you think, mint. So mint is gray. You didn't know that, did you? If you dye with mint, another surface. This is fuchsia. We sell this color a lot. Fuchsia is a root. I had to look that up because I sure didn't know what fuchsia was. Like that. This is more worsted. Worsted in the new pretty color. Okay, these are sock kits. Okay. Oh, those are different. They come different now. We get to put them together. Probably keeps the boxes from squishing. These are all for socks. This is their sock yarn. Some new shades in that. Some we may have had before. Those are fun, aren't they?
Yeah.
They come wound and your socks will match. Look at that rainbow. It's like rainbow bright. And then there's that new soft color is really pretty. And they come, I'll show you what they look like. I've got the boxes here. Told you guys we had a lot today. That's why I thought we could not miss a Tuesday. See, and this is how they knit up. And the stripes. So that's the rainbow. And then we have, those are smaller pictures. That's that new soft color. Oh, there's a big sock. No, that one just has a small sock. This one has a big sock. Big sock. Cool.
Yeah,
So that's the sock kits. And we have another new kit. That's what these are. What did I do with them? I covered them up with, I put the sock yarn back in the box. Juggling yarn here today. That's what these are. This is the kit to make this satchel. Isn't that cool? It's called a scrap buster satchel, but it's so pretty. I would not want to use scraps. I want to use this exactly. So that's what we did. It's going to be a kit. We just have to put it together. They get squished if they're shipped like kits, so we have to do that part. But isn't that pretty? Yeah, so we've got the kits for this now too. And did I get through it all? That was a lot, wasn't it?
Yes.
It was a whole lot. This week, what's coming up this week other than an ice storm is depending on if there is an ice storm and how big it is, we have Sip and Stitch this Wednesday night from 5 to whenever. If we don't have ice, if we do have ice, we'll play it by ear. Maybe we'll just do it next week. We'll see. I'm hoping that we're there because I could use Sip and Stitch this week because it is February starting, well, Wednesday. This week as well, on Thursday and Saturday, we have beginner bunch at 10:30. So if you're wanting to learn to knit, crochet, or just learn more about it, sign up. And then my error correction class is one you don't want to miss is this Saturday at 1:30. It's class. You probably will learn something. You will learn something in this class. Doesn't matter how long you've knit. I'm going to teach you something. I don't think anyone's ever been to my error correction class and not walked away learning something new. So I hope that you can join us. Next Tuesday, we'll be back, and we'll also have our 9 to noon crew here, starting at 9 because it's 9 to noon. And hopefully we'll have some more to tell you about by then. I'm sure we will. All right. Hopefully I'll be live next Tuesday too. All right. Bye, y'all.